Motorists went on their own way along Yishun Avenue 11 on Wednesday afternoon, June 6, not paying much heed to an elderly taxi driver who was stranded by the side of the road. The Comfort Del Gro cabbie tried to change his taxi's flat rear tire on his own but to no avail, said Stomp, a resident living in the area. She told Stomp. It was around 4 to 5 p.m. At first, I noticed the taxi moving slowly and thought something had happened. His passengers, a family of 3, alighted and left. The frail, elderly taxi driver looked helpless as he assessed the condition of the tire. Many vehicles passed by the road but none stopped to help. I wanted to help but didn't know how. There were passers-by nearby who just looked on too. Perhaps they, like me, knew nuts about changing a tire. Even after 40 minutes, the taxi driver's efforts proved to be futile. And his troubles would have persisted, if not for a kind young man who passed by and rendered his assistance. Added the Stomper, a kind, selfless young man approached the taxi driver without hesitation and offered his help to assist the taxi driver. The man's random, inspiring act of kindness and heartwarming gesture restores my faith in humanity. It's a pity though I didn't get a good snapshot of him. The process, with the guy's help, took about 15 to 20 minutes. If it weren't for him, the taxi driver would probably take a longer time to change his flat tire. Not all is negative about Yishun.